Okay.
And we are very happy to have for the first here together with us, brother. And we are very interested in exploring possible collaborations and possible solutions that brother can bring to the FabLab network. So I would like to thank you for being today here with us. And let me, you can introduce yourself and a little bit about this session.
Thank you for coming. My name is Yuzo Takagi. I'm the product manager of embroidery machine in Brother. But today I want to introduce not only the embroidery machine but also scan and cut machine too. Today I want to show you the video, but that's basically artistic aspect type introduction video. I meaning it's not like a scientific side, but this is kind of a artistic aspect side. But I hope you can enjoy the video. It's showing the embroidery machine and the scan and cut. Just I want to explain the scan and cut is not only the cutting machine. It has a scanning function too. So I hope you can enjoy the video. But also today, I have a couple of people from Japan. One guy is the top manager of the engineering for sewing machine and the scan and cut. So if you have more, this is the guy, Ishiyama. He's the top manager. All engineers reporting to him. So if you have any question, suggestion, he's very welcome to hear. And also we have a scan and cut expert too. So, okay, that's about it. So please play, Anastasia, the video.
Yes, give me 1 second. You can continue talking. So the video will be the products.
Yeah.
Yeah, products. I see.
Hello and welcome to products.
Give me a second. Okay. I have some trouble with the sound. So, excuse me. Could we please play first the presentation? Is it possible?
No presentation today, so just the video we want to show today.
It doesn't give me the, okay. Yuzo, I will make you a host. Okay. And I will quit and come back because it doesn't give me the option of sharing. So give me a second.
Let me try. I'm not sure.
Could you please? I will come back in 1 second. I will come back with in 1 second.
Okay. Can you see it? Could you see it?
Hi, everyone. I'm going to share my screen so you can see.
Thank you.
I'm not sure how to share my.
We at FabLab have been making products to enable people worldwide to express their unique creativity. Let me give you a brief glimpse into that.
Oh my God.
It's the internet, Craig.
What do you mean? I never saw no internet like that before.
This is FabLab Kamakura. That's in Japan.
My name is Toshi.
My name is Yume.
I made a t-shirt with embroidered pattern of hanafuda. This is Japanese traditional card game design.
I made this pattern and I embroidered it on a white t-shirt. So it's actually a project not finished yet because I'm going to put LEDs here and a pulse sensor. So when you put your finger here, the LEDs will light up according to your pulse.
以前使っていたミシンに比べて、こちらのミシンは色を10色セットできるっていうところと、糸の交換を自動にやってくれる。そして、渡りも自動で切ってくれるっていうところがとても感動しました。
Yeah, I think if the budget allows, it's definitely a great machine to have, especially that usually with other machines like 3D printer or laser cutter, you can only work with something rather hard, while this works with soft material, which is really nice.
This is our brother museum that we show the many machines.
Let's start with the sewing machines and the customization software. Now, this software is called P-Design, and what it does for you is it makes your letters into embroidery. Let's take a look. Now let's take the same data and edit it to just change the texture. All that I did was just change the little drop point, and that made it look like a different pattern altogether. Next is the scan and cut machine. In the sewing machine, we have the P-Design. In scan and cut, we have an application for this canvas workspace. Now, let's open and see what's like in there. I've saved the data in this USB, and I'm going to put it in the machine and then cut the felt that I have here. So there are 4 blocks in my design, but I just have one piece of felt. I need to make sure if all the 4 blocks will will be okay with just one piece of thread. So for that, let's just scan once and confirm if this much is okay. And my block is done. Similarly, I made 3 more, a pink, an orange, and a yellow. And my puzzle was complete. Here with me, artificial leather. I'm going to try and cut the same blocks with this leather. I love the blocks, don't you? I want to make them again, but this time, I'm going to make them with a different material. This time, I'm going to use this. This is called shrink plastic sheets. And I'm going to use this to cut my blocks this time. And we're done with the blocks. Now, we can also make something else with this shrink plastic sheet. This is a face shield, which can be a lifesaver in these difficult times. Now, if you thought cutting was all, I have to tell you there's more to come. You can also emboss with the same scan and cut machine. Let me just show you how to do that. Enabling a variety of outputs with a single idea is a specialty for crafts. Now lastly, let me show you the variety in mask making. This is Brother, spreading the innovation, share your creation.
Thank you. Thank you, Rebecca. That's the video that we prepared today. You know, as you could see, our embroidery design software can make many patterns with either from the scratch, or even you can draw the picture, then scan in the image, and then you can make embroidery. Also, our machine, we have 10 needles, so you can you don't need to change the thread by yourself, up to 10 colors. So that's, I think, good machine. A scan and cut machine, you can even scan the image and then cut the materials, felt, leather, plastic. So I think you can utilize the machine for your purpose. Any questions from anybody?
I have a question. Between all of the machines that we saw in the video, which ones are the ones that are most popular, or the one that people find the most useful for them in general? Is there one most popular?
For embroidery machine, the 10 needle machine is one of popular one, but also in the US we have machine called XP1. That's not only embroidery, but also sewing machine. So that's popular too. But scan and cut, we have, one kind. I mean, scan and cut only. So just one machine we have.
I loved seeing the different materials used in one. It looks so fun.
So
some of the most strange materials that people have used?
That's I'm not the expert, but Koji, can you answer to?
Yeah, basically the scan cut the paper basically for the scrapbooking purpose. But recently the user is cut a variety of materials. Video shows leather and the plastic sheet and felt, etc. So yeah, basically the customer uses the paper, but other user also cut the fabric type of materials.
Yeah, we have a question actually, Koji, if you can use electronic threads in any of your machines.
You mean machine? You mean sewing machine or cutting machine?
I think sewing machine.
So that's I can answer, but you're talking about the conductive threads. So yeah, that part I want to explain more detail tomorrow. But yeah, we kind of trying. We are kind of trying to use the thread, and some sample we have. Maybe Masahiro can show some sample on the video. Do you have the samples of the wristband?
Okay. I'm Hanabusa from Brother Company. I'll show you some sample we made. Can you see sample?
Yes, we can see the sample.
These sample we made using conductive thread. For example, this one is a writing quilt. Inside it, we have conductive thread inside it. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes.
We made this pattern with embroidery machine. We draw this circuit line in embroidery software, then sew it with embroidery machine automatically. We made these samples, or for kids. Wait. We made such a bracelet like this. When by tail, eyes are glinting. This is how we made this sample with conductive thread we saw conductive thread with sewing machine. Children saw these patterns to make this. More detail, Yuzo-san. Today, how detailed I should explain.
Yeah. Yesterday, Anastasia explained some interest about this kind of what you call the conductive thread using. So we have no time to prepare the presentation for tonight or this afternoon. So I will try to make some presentation for tomorrow. We will explain more detail tomorrow. So please come back to the session tomorrow, then you'll see more details, I hope.
I do think that wearables are going to be very interesting to the network. And so all of your technology or many of your technologies can contribute to that, right? In addition to the sewing machines. So, but yeah, I think there's a lot of interest in wearable technology. Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. So, please wait.
Yes, also the embroidery application into wearables is the one that it is most prominent for application of the future, because you can implement different kinds of way of embedding threads in knitting machines or like sewing machines, but the one that it is easier to implement is having already a garment and then embroidering the circuit on. So it is very, very interesting.
Okay. Do you try to use our software too? I mean, embroidery software that's very suitable for making any patterns with it. So I hope you can use our embroidery machine with the software too. Okay.
So I think we have 2 minutes, but we had one more question, which was how reliable are the machines?
You mean the embroidery machine?
And the cutting machines, just
cutting
how
machine. So in regard,
I
mean, embroidery machine, some of users use the machine for the kind of small business purpose. So they use it like 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. They use, 5, 7 years easily. You need to have some maintenance, like give oils or such things, but it's, stays for like 5, 7 years easily. Scan cut machine, I don't know exactly, but Koji, can you answer to that?
Yeah, user basically for use hobby use for scan cut, but up to the countries like Brazil, emergency country, so user use a small business. So for example, machine can cut the vinyl sheet to transfer the t-shirts. So that's customer user make the t-shirt type of application by using our cutting machine. So machine, I explained that machine can cut the various materials. So machine cut automatically detect the material to the other competitors machine adjust the blade and the pressure up to the material, but machine adjust automatically the pressure and the length of the blade. So customer enjoy the cutting various material, especially the vinyl and the HTV. Recently, this kind of material increasing in the world.
Okay. Okay. So that's about it today, I think.
Yeah, I think we're.
Okay. I hope you can come back tomorrow about the conductive thread presentation from us.
Oh, Yuzo, we can't hear you.
Oh. You cannot hear?
We can.
Oh.
I can.
Yeah,
I
we
can.
can. We can hear you.
Okay. So I hope you can come back tomorrow, and then we hope we can discuss more detail about the thread, about conductive thread. Sorry. Okay. Thank you for coming. Is there any questions? Can you close the session with Anastasia or Rebecca?
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here today with us, and we hope to learn and hear more from you tomorrow in your tomorrow session. And yes, we can discuss how you can try to collaborate with the FabLab network in making more developments in hacking machines, in creating custom tools, and also in making applications with your current machinery.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you for staying up so late.
You're welcome. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.